Today I will be doing cheap to expensive RC cars. Let's get right into the video. First off, we have the cheap RC car. This goes about 4 miles per hour and it's kind of slow. It has a brushed motor and this was about $17. Now for the next one up. Now we have this next RC car, which is, it actually goes very fast. It goes about 17 miles per hour and it's also a brushed motor, but the motor is very tiny. This is my hand, this is the car. It's very small and it is about $25. Now for the most expensive RC car I have. Now for this next RC car, it was about 170 bucks, I'm pretty sure, and it goes about 40 miles an hour, brushed motor, has a few mods. It's kind of struggling right now, so I'm just take the body shell off real quick. It's kind of struggling right now because like it has sand pedal tires on, but here it is. I upgraded all of the plastic arms and shock towers and shocks to all aluminum, and I got these massive sand pedal tires which are a bit too big. Usually the normal size wheels are about the rim size of these, but these are huge. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment which car was your favorite.